This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Demai, Perek Dalid, Mishna Gimel. And Amoritz is suspected that he didn't separate the Maiserishin because Amoritz believed that only if he separated the Maiserishin, then does he have to also separate from that a portion of Truma for the Kayin, and he doesn't want to have to give it away to the Kayin. And Amoritz is also suspected that he didn't separate the Maiser Sheni because then he would have to take it up to Yerushalayim and eat it over there, which he didn't want to do. The question over here is, by Meiser Ani, which is given on the 3rd and 6th years, do we say that Amoritz did not separate it, or do we say that the Amoritz did separate it, and then just kept it for himself? Because the Amoritz doesn't feel like he's stealing it from anyone because it didn't actually belong to someone. And so the question is, do we say that the Amoritz separated the Meiser Ani or not? So Rabbi Lezer says, Ein Adam Tzarech Likr Shem L'Meiser Ani Shel Demai. If a person buys produce from an Amoritz, which is Demai, they don't have to designate a portion for Meiser Ani because we say that the Amoritz already did it. Now, even if we believe that the Amoritz did not do it, we would only obligate the person who bought it to designate a portion for Meiser Ani, but they don't actually have to give it to a poor person because we don't know whether the Amoritz did or didn't. We said most Amoritz would separate the Meisers. And so this is a case of a doubt. Who does it belong to? And the halacha is Hamaitzi Mechaveri Olavaraya. So the owner, the one who bought it, can now keep it. However, the question is, do they even need to designate a portion? So Rabbi Lezer says they don't, because we say that all the Amoritz would already have done this, and they just keep it for themselves. They don't feel like it's stealing because it never actually was in the possession of the poor person. And the Chachamim say, no, Kaira Shem ve'enei tzarech lahafresh. They tell Rabbi Lezer, even if you believe that every Amoritz separated the Meiser Ani, still the person who bought it from the Amoritz should designate a portion for Meiser Ani, and they don't have to actually separate it because, like we said, it's Amaitz Mechaveri Alavaraya. But they should still designate a portion for Meiser Ani because it's not a big deal to do this. There's not any loss in doing this. And so they should designate a portion for Meiser Ani.